Hey, what's your favorite food, Laura?
I love carbonara pasta. It's my go-to comfort food.
That sounds delicious. How do you make it?
It's super easy. You just need eggs, bacon, Parmesan cheese, and spaghetti. First, cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions. Then, fry the bacon in a pan until it's crispy. Beat the eggs and Parmesan cheese in a bowl. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it and add it to the pan with the bacon. Turn off the heat and pour the egg mixture over the spaghetti. Stir until the eggs are cooked. That's it.
Wow, that's simple. I'll have to try it sometime.
You definitely should. And how about you? What's your favorite food?
I love chocolate cake. It's my weakness.
I can't blame you. How do you make it?
It's a bit more complicated than carbonara pasta. You need flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, eggs, milk, and oil. Mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl. Then, add the eggs, milk, and oil. Mix until the batter is smooth. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool and add some frosting on top. It's heavenly.
That sounds amazing. I'll have to try it sometime.